Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another version of the Spider-Man suit, and this time it's from Homecoming. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this version of Spider-Man, and to begin we're gonna start out with his eye mask area first. So it's just gonna be kind of two slants. Okay, it's always very tricky to draw this. So once you have those two slants, we're gonna come down on this side. Okay, so it's almost like a letter M. And then from here, we're just gonna curve and connect those. So from this corner, let's go out and connect to that. It's tricky because you kind of want to get it symmetrical, so that's always a hard thing. Alright, and then once you have this shape, just gonna draw another one inside. So this one's easy. We just gonna follow along on the outside. All right, and let me shade this in real quick. I think it'll look a lot cooler. All right, so that's definitely the hardest part to draw for this Spider-Man drawing. So once we have this, now we can draw in the rest of the head. So on the side here, just draw like almost like two little brackets right around the eye mask area. And then once you have those, we're gonna curve up to finish up the top of his head. And then right here, now we're gonna come down on this side. This is gonna be his jawline. And then for a little bit of chin, I'm just gonna come right across. Alright, and then we'll draw in the webbings later. So now let's go on to the body. So the body is very generic. Here's his neck, which is gonna come down. Slant out for his shoulders. And then right around here, just kind of come down. Right here, that's gonna be his armpit. We're gonna leave a little bit of space here. So just come in, and then now we draw in his all the way down to his waist. Okay, and then in the middle here, let's come down. We can make a little point, and we'll just beat up to that, and we'll just end it there. So that's gonna be kind of like his belt area. All right, so now let's fill in his arms. So here's his armpit, shoulder coming down, and then for his bicep, bracket, come back up here. So this is gonna be his elbow. Now we're gonna flare out. This is gonna curve in. This is gonna be his wrist. This is almost straight down, and then close it off. So right around here. And now for his fist, come in, little hook, back of the fist. It's gonna turn, close it off. Alright, so let's draw on the other side first before we add in any more details. Armpit, shoulder, and here's the bicep, bracket, elbow, flare out, curve, and then use the other side for reference. Come straight down, close it off. And then now for his fist, same thing here, little hook, back of the fist, curve, and then just close it. Okay, and then just roughly to add in some details for his suit here. So right around, let's see, like the belt area right here, we're just gonna add in two little lines, just kind of come in slightly. And then start up here, right in the middle, right here on his arm. Just gonna draw one curve all the way down. Okay, so right here in the middle, I curve all the way down. Meet up to that. Okay, and then from this point here, just draw a line straight down the center, all the way down to his lower arm here, and then come straight across. Same thing here, come all the way down to the middle. straight across. Alright, and we'll add in all the other stuff later. Let's move on to his legs. So in the middle, make a little mark. And for his leg, we're going to continue with this line. Come out, curve, down, curve in. And then for his knee, it's just going to be a bracket. Okay, so let's move on to the other side. Down, come down. His knee, bracket. Okay, for his lower leg, now we're gonna go flare out, and then we're gonna pinch it in. Come straight down, close it. There's a dome shape this way, and then this one's gonna go out a little bit more, and then we're just gonna close that off. And then same thing on the other side. Flare out, curve. This one's almost straight down. Dome shape, come out more on this side. Close it. And then since we're down here, let's just go ahead and add in some details here. So from side to side, around the corner here, just curve. Okay, same thing here, curve. All right, so that's the basic body and the suit design. Now we're gonna add in some more details. All right, let's go back up here and let's start out with the little spider in the middle. So this part's a little bit tricky. Just drawing two lines like that first. And then just close it off. So that's gonna be the center. With a little bit of an angle. Two little lines here, and then for the head, I'm just gonna draw a little dome shape. And it's kind of small to draw with these Sharpies. So for his legs here, just gonna draw like a little bracket right around there. And then one more on the outside, slightly longer. So same thing here. Just kind of go around that little corner. This one's gonna go a little bit longer. And then now I'm just gonna draw in a couple of lines going out. Hopefully you guys can see that. I know it's really small. So now let's draw in some of the details on his suit design here. So on his waist right here, I'm just gonna draw two lines coming out and then close it with a slant. So same thing on this side. And let me shade it in so we can see this better. So I know there's a lot of lines, it gets a little bit confusing sometimes. Okay, so that's one bar. And then now we're gonna come up here on his shoulder here. Okay, so two lines and a slant, close it off. That's gonna be another bar. So just start right here. Slant, slant. Just close it. And then once you have those four bars, now we're gonna connect this. So it's gonna be the same curve as this. So we just kind of follow along, just connect that. So on this side, follow all the way down. All right, yeah, a little bit tricky right there. And then for the arms right here, this one's easy. We're just gonna draw one bar. And all right, might as well just shade it in since I've been doing it already. Okay, that's one bar, and then on the bottom on the wrist, just one more. And I'm gonna shade it in as well. So this side, same thing here, just one bar. So it'll be two lines. One line here on the wrist, shade that in. And that's pretty much it for this. And well, you know, let me shade this part in as well. All right, so those are the designs, and on the bottom on his legs here, it's got another bar as well. So we're just gonna draw one curve exactly the same, and then draw another one right on the bottom. And I'll shade that in. So same thing on this side. Okay. Alright, so that's the whole suit, and now for the webbings, it's gonna be pretty similar to all the other Spider-Man drawings I've been doing. So let's start out on the head again. So I'm just gonna draw a circle right in the middle, and I'm just going right over since this part is black anyways. Okay, so one circle, and then for this part here, in the middle, draw one line, and then come on the bottom here, here's the middle, just go off to the side, and draw two lines, so kind of like all coming from the center. And then for his cheek right here, I come in, one more up here, I'm gonna start here, just right over the eye area. Alright, so once we have these lines, then it's really easy. I'm just gonna kind of draw at different angles, so this is gonna slant up. Okay, one on the bottom here. Here, these are gonna slant, so it's kind of like going around the circle. And this can just kind of, I'll just kind of close that off. And the same thing on the top here. And then maybe this one can just kind of like tuck behind the eye area. And there probably should be another line in here. So if there's a little bit of space, you can just fill that, or you can leave it. We don't have to draw in too much detail. Alright, and then on the bottom here, so we're gonna draw one center line all the way down. Okay, once you have that, go back to the neck area right here. Draw a slight slant coming down, and then right here we're gonna draw one more. So these are all kind of radiating. Okay, so this one's gonna slant out. Okay, so now we can draw in those other line. So we're gonna start out in the neck area, slant, slant, and then same thing here. Come down a little bit, slant, and it's just kind of radiating like a circle. 2, 3, and then let's come down, slight slant here, and let's just add in one more. So it doesn't have to be exact, as long as you have some webbing, then it will look cool. Alright, and then here I'm just gonna draw one line, and then I'll just divide it up. So we'll just keep it simple. So one line in the center, and then we'll cut it off with two sections. And then right here, we're just gonna extend this. Just extend that line. And then for the hand, we'll just leave it because it gets a little bit too small. All right, and then for the legs, it's really easy. We just start here. Just go all the way down. And then let's just draw two sections across. And that is it for this Spider-Man suit from the movie Homecoming. So hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.